Understanding how cash advances impact your credit score is vital for maintaining good financial health. A cash advance involves withdrawing cash using your credit card, essentially borrowing against your available credit line. Unlike regular credit card purchases, cash advances typically incur high fees and elevated interest rates, with interest starting immediately. There's no grace period for cash advances, meaning interest begins accruing the moment you take the money out. While a cash advance doesn't directly lower your credit score, it can lead to significant negative impacts indirectly. One major factor is your credit utilization ratio, which compares the credit you're using to your total available credit limit. A large cash advance can drastically increase this ratio, potentially lowering your score, especially if it exceeds the preferred 30% threshold. For example, a $500 cash advance on a $1,000 limit card with an existing $200 balance would push your utilization to 70%. This high utilization signals potential credit dependency to lenders, which is viewed unfavorably. Another indirect consequence is missed payments, which can severely damage your credit score for up to 7 years. Higher interest rates and immediate accrual make monthly payments larger and potentially unmanageable.
Card issuers may also prioritize payments to lower interest balances, allowing your high-interest cash advance balance to grow unchecked.
Frequent cash advances can also be seen negatively by lenders, potentially leading to reduced credit limits or account closures.
So, while a cash advance doesn't directly lower your credit score number, its indirect effects through utilization and missed payments are very real.
Instead of cash advances, consider safer alternatives like personal loans, which often have lower interest rates. Utilizing an emergency fund, borrowing from family or friends, or selling assets are also viable options. For purchases, using the credit card directly is often better due to lower interest and grace periods. Some credit cards offer installment plans or loan programs with more favorable rates than a cash advance. Buy now, pay later services, peer-to-peer lending, or even cash advance apps can also be interest-free alternatives.
In summary, cash advances are generally detrimental to your financial health due to high costs and indirect negative impacts on your credit score.
Always explore safer, more affordable options to protect your credit and maintain financial stability.